Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. A peculiar situation has come before the Supreme Court where a father came up with an SLP to quash the FIR against him for the offence of, what is the offence? For the offence of taking away his son from the custody of the minor. Definitely it is an offence, no doubt. But normally, to such extent, they should not have gone. The mother should not have gone. Of course, luckily, incidentally, the mother is also not there. She died. Right. So, the son is taken from the mother's custody about 4 years back. Therefore, kidnapping, that is, since the boy was a young boy, a case of kidnapping was registered in Ghaziabad police station against the father. So, 3 judges bench, Justice Uday Umesh Lavlit, who is the Chief Justice of India from today onwards, then Justice Ravindra Bhatt and Sudhanshu Dhulia. While considering the so-called appeal SLP moved by the father regarding the quashing of the FIR registered by the Ghaziabad police against the father for secretly taking away the son from his mother's custody about 4 years back. Now, their oral asking, the bench has asked the advocate, in a matter like this, why should there be FIR? What is the necessity for registering FIR? So please remember, already the criminal courts are already overburdened with so many criminal cases. Please remember, father took custody of the child. Okay. He is supposed to be guilty of what? What offense, you tell me? Is it kidnapping? Father, kidnapping for the lawful guardianship of mother, but there is a dispute between father and mother. Both of them are claiming they are the guardians. Actually, even according to Guardianship and Wards Act, father is the natural guardian. How can you register a case against him for kidnapping? Is it not? How case can be registered? Second point. So, basing on that, of course, the advocate stated that now the mother is not there. Even the boy is willing to reside with his siblings, and the father is also not interested in him. He wanted to leave him. So, what is your request, the court? It is only for quashing the FIR. Okay, Supreme Court agreed. We will quash the FIR, but there is a condition. This is important. Condition precedent. If the father pays rupees 20,000 monthly for the educational expenses of the child for his wrongdoing of taking away from his mother's child, yes, the FIR will be quashed. Right? So, we will quash the FIR on condition that he will take care of the financial expenditure for the school education. That is 20,000 rupees ultimately they have. Child is now 14 years old and he is now living with his 2 siblings and the mother recently passed away. Actually, the father moved a petition before the Allahabad High Court, but which did not agree. Actually, he has moved the court for even child custody also. He has filed a GWOP, but it was not accepted because the child was called to the court. The child informed the court that he wants to reside with his mother. He is happy in the company of his siblings and the mother. So he does not want to go with his father and he is happy with the existing mother's company. So therefore they did not allow. Ultimately, Supreme Court asked him, why don't you go for the Guardian and Wards Act OP? Why don't you move the court for guardianship? Why this habeas corpus, then quashing petition, all these things? So ultimately, the advocate stated that father is not now asking for the custody of the child because the child is 14 years adolescent, 14 years old. He is having the maturity of understanding. He wants to stay with his sisters. Already mother passed away. So then what relief you want? Supreme Court asked. He said, Your Honor, only quashment of the FIR. That's all. Are you concerned over the FIR or are you concerned over the child? Supreme Court asked. So the advocate stated, Your Honor, father is willing to give 20,000 to the child and the child can stay with his siblings. There is no willingness on the part of the father to take care of the child also. Yes, very good. The issue is solved. FIR is quashed. So very good case. Please read it and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.